Incy, Wincy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Oh, hi there! Let me tell you a story about spiders. Tara! Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back! Let's continue our journey in learning a beautiful language, Tagalog, the language of the Philippines. Mayroon akong bagong kwento. Bagong kwento. Maiksing kwento, maiksi, bago at maiksing kwento. Mula sa aklat na ito. Mula sa munting aklat na ito. Munti aklat. Munting aklat. Ang pamagat. Ang pamagat ng kwento ay maliliit na gagamba. Maliliit na gagamba. Tara, simulan na natin. Maliliit na gagamba. Umakyat sa sanga. Dumating ang ulan at itinaboy sila. Sumikat ang araw. Natuyo ang sanga. Ang maliliit na gagamba ay laging masaya. Wakas. I am using this little book with permission from the publishing company Adarna House and the book's illustrator Miss Danigo. There is a lot to unpack from this very short story, and there's a lot of new words, mostly verbs that you may be hearing for the first time. Since the story happened in the past, the verbs in the story are in the completed aspect. If you still remember our lessons on verbs, completed aspects tell of actions that have been completed. You will also notice that the sentences are in the verb-subject-object form, the more casual sentence structure in Tagalog, and not the subject-verb-object form, which is more formal. Although the objects of the sentences are omitted because they are already implied, which happens a lot in conversational Tagalog. Let's go over the story again and let's examine it line by line. But before we do that, please hit the subscribe button if you are not yet a subscriber, and hit the bell notification button so you will be updated of new videos. Now, let's go over the story once more. Maliliit na gagamba. The adjective maliliit is the plural form of maliit, small or little. It is the synonym of munti. It combines the prefix ma and the root word liit. The plural form is created by reduplicating the first syllable of the root word liit, and you have maliliit. Remember that Tagalog is a syllabic language, so you have to pronounce each syllable. Maliliit. You see the ligature na connecting maliliit with gagamba. Maliliit na gagamba is little spiders. Umakyat sa sanga. Umakyat is both the imperative verb and the conjugated form in the completed aspect. It is derived from the root word akyat, climb. Sa is the preposition equivalent to the English in, on, for, and to. We use the preposition sa because the subject, the spiders, are the ones performing the action of climbing on the tree branch. Dumating ang ulan. Dumating is from the verb dumating, to come. It is derived from the root word dating, arrive. Dumating is both the imperative form and the completed form. Ang ulan is the subject. The action that the ulan did was to arrive. Dumating. Dumating ang ulan, the rain arrived, or the rain came. At itinaboy sila. Itinaboy is the completed form of the verb itaboy, to drive away. It is from the root word taboy, drive away. Do you still remember the personal pronoun sila? They? It is a group 1 pronoun. At itinaboy sila means and they were driven away. If the group 2 pronoun nila or them is used like at itinaboy nila, then it would mean and they drove away someone. Cool? Let's move on. Sumikat ang araw. The sun shone. Sumikat is both the imperative verb and the conjugated verb in the completed aspect. It comes from the root word shine. Natuyo ang sanga. The verb matuyo is to be dried. Tagalog has different verbs for to dry, which we can talk about in another video. Natuyo is the conjugated form in the completed aspect. Natuyo ang sanga. The tree branch became dry or the tree branch dried up. Ang maliliit na gagamba ay laging masaya. The adverb lagi, which means always, is attached with the ligature nang because it ends in a vowel. Ligatures are linking words that attach a descriptor to another word. In this case, the descriptor is the adverb describing the adjective masaya, happy. Ang maliliit na gagamba ay laging masaya. The little spiders are always happy. Wakas, the end. Sana ay nagustuhan ninyo ang ating maikling kwento. I also hope that you learned something new today. And if you did, please hit the like button. That will help grow this channel. I'd like to thank Adarna House for giving me permission to use one of their books in this episode. You can check out their books online too through buribooks.com, an extensive e-library of Adarna books. In my next video, I will do something different, something that I have not yet done in this channel. I will be bringing you to the beach, not just any beach, but one of the best beaches on the planet. I hope you catch that. I will see you then. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.